Hello everybody. Now we will discuss the multiplication of algebraic expressions. So these cases we will take monomial by the monomial. How can you multiply the monomial by the monomial? Monomial by binomial, monomial by trinomial. Similarly, binomial by binomial, binomial by trinomial, then trinomial by trinomial, and then polynomial by polynomial. We will discuss. One by one we are taking. So first we will take the monomial by a monomial. For instance, मान लीजिए we want to do the product of, or we can say the multiply 2xy square z by 10 over 3 xy z square, or just 10xy you can take 10 over 3 with this one. So simply what we will do, करना क्या है, केवल इसको into 10 over 3 x into y, multiply number with the numbers only. 2 into 10 20 over 3. Here is exponent of the x is 1, here is 1, so it will become a x raised to power 2. यहाँ y की power 2 है, यहाँ 1, so 2 plus 1 3 y cube into z. Here we will apply actually e raised to power m into e raised to power n. That is power will be added. If the exponent are same, if the exponent that the bases are same, you are supposed to add the exponent. अगर base same होते तो हम उनके एक्सपोनेंट को ऐड करते हैं. तो x की पावर 1 है, यहाँ 1, तो 1 plus 1 2 y square, here is 1, 2 plus 1 3, and this one. So monomial by the monomial you can multiply. Second is monomial by the binomial. Suppose question is multiply 4xy plus 3y 2x. This is your binomial. Multiply by the monomial is there. So simple, इसको लिखिए 4xy plus 3 into 2x. Now by this 2x we are supposed to multiply this 4xy and then 3 separately. तो देखिए क्या होगा, 4xy into 2x plus 3 into 2x. See now, this is 4 to the 8. You can write down. Just number को number से multiply करिए. Numerical value numerical से 8. Here is x, x1 power is 1, here is 1, so x raised to power 2, and y will remain as it is plus. Here is 3 to the 6x. So likewise, you can multiply the any binomial algebraic expression by the binomial is there. Monomial. Any binomial you can multiply by the binomial by the monomial is there. This one. Third is there, you have to multiply the trinomial by a monomial is here. So look at here now. The example we can take. Trinomial we are taking, suppose multiply x square plus 5x plus 10 by x plus 2. Suppose you want to multiply this one. So write down here x square plus 5x plus 10 multiplied by x plus 2. क्या करना है, पहले x से we will multiply these three terms separately, then by 2 we will multiply these three terms. We should be worried about the plus and minus. प्लस माइनस का ध्यान रखना है यहाँ पर. देखिए पहले करेंगे this x, इस x से we will multiply this and this one. तो x square into x plus 5x into x plus 10 into x. Now by this 2 we will multiply. This is plus 2 into x square plus 2 into 5x plus 2 into 10. This one. We should be worried about the plus and minus is here only. अगर यहाँ माइनस होता तो माइनस मल्टीप्लाई विद द प्लस, क्यों ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि प्लस इंटू प्लस ऑलवेज प्लस होता है, माइनस इंटू माइनस. अगर आप किन्हीं दो नेगेटिव वैल्यू को यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग, देन अगेन इट विल बी द पॉजिटिव इज देयर. वन पॉजिटिव, another negative, the product will be negative. First is negative, second is positive, then product will again is the negative is here. Now same method, x power 2, here is 1, so this is x raised to power 3 plus 5 will remain as it is, x raised to power 1 and 1, this is x raised to power 2, 10x plus 2 into x square plus 2 into 5, 10x plus 20. Now here is this is x cube will remain as it is. अकेला टर्म है देखिए, लेकिन these are the like 5x square and 2x square. So these are the like is there, you can add them. 5 plus 2, 7 x square, 10x and 10x, these are the like comes always, we will add here. 10 plus 10, that is 20x, and this 20 will remain as it is. So this is the product of trinomial by the binomial. Now similarly you can multiply the binomial by the binomial, we can do that separate. Likewise we will take is there. Another example I am taking. Okay, suppose trinomial by the trinomial, binomial by trinomial is already we discussed, this one is there only. Binomial by the binomial also you can take like 2xy plus 3x cube multiplied by x square minus 5x. Binomial by the binomial we are supposed to multiply. Binomial and binomial. Same method is there. X square से इसको multiply करो 2xy into x square. Now this by x square you have to multiply. This is 3x cube into x square. Now here is the minus sign. Here is the plus. So minus into plus is always negative. We should be very careful. यहाँ पर थोड़ा ध्यान रखना है. तो minus into plus minus 2xy into 5x. Here is minus 3x cube into 5x. Now this is your 2 x raised to power 1. Here is 2 x cube y plus 3 into 1 3 x to power 3 and 2 x raised to power 5. This is 2 5 to 10 x into x square. Y will remain as it is minus 5 3 is 15 x raised to power 3 and 1 x raised to power 4. अब ये देखिए like terms है कोई, no like terms is there, all are unlike, so this is the answer. Now similarly we can take the polynomial by the polynomial or the polynomial by the monomial, likewise we can take. So one more example I am taking in case of the polynomial by a polynomial. So look at here now. Suppose question is multiply 4xy plus 3x square minus 10 y x square minus 5x plus 1. You can see the trinomial or the polynomial by the polynomial, because trinomial is also polynomial is there only. So simply you have to multiply. देखिए क्या करना है, इसको you can add on 4xy plus 3x square minus 10x 10 into x square minus 5x plus 1. Now this x square say you have to multiply each and every term is here. So this is 4xy into x square plus into plus plus 3x square into x square plus into minus minus 10 into x square. Now by this minus 5x we are supposed to multiply these three terms. Minus 5x into this minus 5x into 4xy minus 5x into 3x square minus 5x and minus is become a plus 10 into 5x. By this one you will multiply, it will come as it is. So this is 4xy plus 3x square minus 10. Now look at here. देखिए 4 ये x raised to power 1 and 2 this is cube 3 हो जाएगा plus 3 x raised to power 2 and 2 x raised to power 4 minus this is 10 x square minus 5 for the 20 x into x is x square into y. This is minus 15 x raised to power 1 and 2 x cube. This is your plus 50x 4xy will remain as it is plus 3x square minus 10. अब now देखिए like terms कोई हैं तो you are supposed to add them. So here is this is 4xy is अकेला है तो it will remain as it is 4xy plus 3x raised to power 4 no term of 3 x raised to power 4 no like term. Here is this is minus 10 x square and plus 3. So this is minus 7 x square. This is x square y separate है कोई term नहीं है, it will remain as it is 20x square y 15x cube will remain as it is, 15x cube, and this is 50x अकेला है, ये भी, this is 4x by separate and minus 10, and this is your answer. Have a look. Okay, now these are the few questions I am taking from your NCERT exercise 9.3. 9.3 से questions we are discussing. First क्या है, you have to find the product. You are supposed to find the product is here only. First part is I am taking question number 3 first part. Find the product. हमें क्या करना है, इसके product करना है. This is your 2 over 3 xy into minus 9 over 10 x square y square. तो यू आर सपोज टू मल्टीप्लाई, नंबर को क्या करना है, नंबर से, वेरिएबल x को x से, y को y से भी आर सपोज टू मल्टीप्लाई. तो वी कैन राइट डाउन दिस इज 2 over 3 into minus 9 over 10 into x into x square y into y square. यू कैन देखिए 3 3 जा 9 2 5 जा. इफ यू वांट टू कैंसिल यू कैन कैंसिल, अगर नहीं है तो सीधा मल्टीप्लाई करो न्यूमरेटर विद न्यूमरेटर, डिनोमिनेटर विद डिनोमिनेटर. यू कैन राइट डाउन द प्रोडक्ट. सो दिस इज minus 3 over 5. Now here is x raised to power 1 and x raised to power 2. This will become x raised to power 3. Power will be added. क्यों base same है, power add होगा. Into y raised to power 1 into y square. So this is y cube and this is your answer. Now similarly this is question number 4 A part is there. He is saying simplify. पहले आपको इसको simplify करना है. Then you have to find the value of this one at x equal to 1 over 2. पहले इसको you have to simplify. Simplify means you have to remove this parenthesis here. इसे remove करो. Then put x equal to 1 by 2 and find the value. So this is your question number 4A part. तो simplify करेंगे तो मैं direct I am taking 3x 4x minus 5 plus 3. Simplify means ये you are supposed to remove this parenthesis. इसे हटाइए. देखिए 3x से you are to multiply this 4x, 3x into 4x minus 3x with 5 and 3 will remain as it is. This will remain as it is. Now this is equal to what? 3 4 are 12. X raised to power 1 and here is 1. So x raised to power 2. 1 plus 1. 3 into 5 15. X plus 3. This is your simplify. लेकिन वो क्या बोला? You have to find the value of this one at x equal to 1 over 2. अगर x is equal to 1 over 2 है तो इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? Now for x equal to 1 over 2 you have to find. तो क्या करना है? Just x की जगह you are supposed to put 1 by 2 is here. So this is 12 1 by 2 whole square minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. Solve it. This is 12 into 1 over 2 whole square means 1 over 2 into 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 into 2 you can write down minus 15 into 1 over 2 plus 3. So देखिए 2 6 and 2 3. So this is your 3 minus this is 15 over 2 plus 3 and this is 3 and 3 is 6. 6 minus 15 over 2. You can take the LCM. LCM will be the 6. So this is 1 6 is 6. 6 into 6 36 minus 2 3 ja and 15 3 ja 45. So this is equal to minus denominator will remain 6 and here you can subtract. This is 9 minus 9. So this is 3 3 ja and 3 2 ja. You can add on minus 3 over 2 and this is your answer. Simple you can do that. क्या करना है यहाँ पर? Here 3 and 3 is 6 minus 15 by 2 remain as it is. Take the LCM 6 1 से 6 6 into 6 36 minus 2 से 6 3 3 into 15 45. You will get here is the minus 9 over 6. That 3 3 ja 3 2 ja, so minus 3 over 2 is there. So you can do this. Now here he is saying you are supposed to add these. You are supposed to add these only. So important point is here क्या है कि आपको पहले रिमूव द ब्रैकेट करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू रिमूव द ब्रैकेट. तो मोनोमियल वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग विद द बाइनोमियल, मोनोमियल विद द बाइनोमियल लाइकवाइज. सो लुक एट हियर, इसको देखो. सी नाउ so you want to add this one is there. Question number 5 A part, add P minus Q and Q minus R and R minus P. we are going to apply here is the horizontal method we will apply here. See now solution. So P minus Q plus Q minus R plus R minus P. Now remove the bracket first. P से P into P minus P into Q plus Q से Q into Q minus Q into R plus R into R minus R into P. Simply you are supposed to multiply. Simply you have to multiply. So this is P into P is what? P square. This is minus PQ. Q into Q is Q square. This is Q into R is minus QR. R into R is R square minus RP. And this is your answer because all are the unlike. सभी unlike terms से कोई add subtract नहीं होगा तो this is your answer. Simple you can do that. ऐसे similarly this one. Subtract this from this one. So you are supposed to write down this first, then this one only. So monomial we are supposed to multiply by the trinomial here only. You have to remove the bracket, then only we can subtract. तो इसको देखिए. Look at here now. This is your. We want to subtract this from this one. So horizontal method I am going to apply here. So this will come first. 4L 10N minus 3M plus 2L. This one. From this we want to subtract this one. 3L. This is your L minus 4M plus 5. This one. तो here you are supposed to remove the bracket first. पहले क्या करना है यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट को रिमूव करिए. ये ब्रैकेट को you are supposed to remove first. तो देखिए this is your 4L into 10N. You can keep in bracket is there only, no problem. Minus 4L into 3M plus 4L into 2L. Minus as it is. By this 3L you have to multiply. 3L into L minus 3L into 4M plus 3L into 5. First we are keeping in the bracket only. Just you are supposed to keep in bracket. So now this is 4 10 to 40 ln, keep in bracket, minus 4 3 12 lm plus 4 2 8 l into l square minus, keep in bracket, 3 l into l square minus 4 3 12 lm minus plus 15l. Now you are supposed to remove the bracket. तो जैसे ही आप इस रिमूव करेंगे ब्रैकेट को, here is the minus sign is there, so inside the sign will be change. क्या होगा? ये सब साइन चेंज होंगे. प्लस will change into minus, minus will change into plus. So this is your 40 ln minus 12 lm plus 8 l square. This is minus 3 l square. Minus minus become plus lm minus into plus minus 15 l. अब लाइक टर्म को लाइक टर्म के साथ देखो. Here the 40 ln, no term of ln, so this will remain as it is. But here is minus 12 lm and this is plus 12 lm. It will be cancelled. Here is 8 l square. These are the like. 8 minus 3, that is 5 l square, and 15 l will remain as it is. So this is your answer. Have a look.